So we have identified the domain event. We are here in step 2. The first step we have completed. We have identified different domain events related with searching a particular cab with Ola or Uber. Now the second step is that we need to put certain command. So again I am coming to a sticky note, and for command come to your event storming diagram in Wikipedia. So for command we are using blue sticky. Event we are using orange sticky. So you should come and you should select the blue sticky. So this one represent command. So you can select any one, but be consistent. So this one is your command, blue sticky. I think I have selected some other color. So this one will be appropriate. That color also fine, which I have selected earlier, but you should be consistent. So this is representing my command. Now I should select the size and make it medium. Now what should be this command that will trigger this particular event? User registered. What will be the command? So user will come and register himself. User will come and register himself. So command will be user register or registration. So user register or user registration will be a command, and that command will trigger this particular event. So user registered event will get executed when user register command will get executed. Are you getting my point? When user will get registered, dear friend, here I need to manage some space. Just want to keep it aside. So when user will get registered, my dear friend, user will get registered, one command we need to execute. Okay, user registered now. Now we are searching a cab. So cab searched. When the cab search will happen? So search for a cab. This command will get executed. Search cab. Then this command will get executed. In return of that, cab will get searched. Yes or no? Yes or no, dear friend? So cab will get searched when this search cab command will get executed. Make sense? Now what will happen next? What will happen next, my dear friend? Cab arrived. Cab arrived. How the cab arrived will get executed? You have done the search cab. Many cab had been searched by the system, which is there in that nearby area. Out of that, one cab has been assigned for this particular search. Then the cab will arrive now. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to convey? So we have searched the cab. After that, cab searched. Complete. Cab search process complete. After that cab search process complete, and cab allocation should happen automatically by the backend system of Ola. One, cab will be assigned for that particular search, for that particular user. So cab assigned process will get executed. A cab assigned we can consider as another domain event also. Here, my dear friend, try to understand. What I have told in previous discussion, that whole event storming diagram is always progressing in nature. It's a collaborative approach. See, in one step you can't collect all those information. So it's always go evolving. So here I feel now, and leaving you for your consideration and your decision, that what I feel, and similar suggestion I will give throughout the discussion for you to take the decision and to modify it. User registered command, user registered. After that, no any process. After some time, user will came and search the cab. So cab searched. After that cab arrived, I think there is some domain event which is missing between the two. Yes or no? Cab searched and cab arrived. There should be some domain event, dear friend. So if cab searched, there should be some backend system running inside Ola that will find all the cabs. Find the cab in a nearby area. Getting? So one domain event I am trying to put over here. This I was referring continuous evolvement. User has written cab searched, find cab. After finding the cab in local area, need to pull it down. Then I will take and I will arrange it. Find cab. Then another domain event, dear friend, I am trying to put. Again, it's subject for your consideration. In this way, so many times we will change this particular diagram. Cab found. Cab found domain event will get executed in response of find that particular cab. So cab found in that particular local area. After finding the cab, one driver, one cab will get assigned. Cab found, one particular cab will get assigned to driver. Driver assigned or cab assigned for that particular search. Actually finding the cab. So it will find 3, 4, 5 cab in nearby area. Hey, am I making sense? It may find 3, 4 cabs. Out of those cab, dear friend, out of those cab, find cab done, assign. Assign cab. Have you understood the difference between find cab and assign cab? So find cab was a backend system which was checking for 3, 4, 5 nearby cab with that specification of mini, micro and other. After that, one cab will get assigned. So assign cab, that domain command will get executed. And after that, cab assigned. Cab assigned. Similarly, you need to identify. Similarly, you need to identify other domain event. Command that will trigger all those events. Cab assigned. After that, cab arrived. Cab arrived at the source to pick. Cab arrived at the source to pick that particular user. What should be the command for this? What should be the command? cab assigned for a particular search, and then driver will head towards that particular destination. So move to source, then cab arrived. You can select any term, but that should be ubiquitous to your business. Sorry. This is sticky. I was not planning to use. This was my intention. Again, the best term you need to select. I'm just filling this gap, dear friend. So assign cab. Cab arrived. Cab assigned. After that, cab will start moving, driving towards the user, towards the source. Run to source, move for source, reach to source, reach to user, reach to source. Source means the place from where you are starting your journey. Now again you need to check with your business domain whether you are fine with the term source or originating station or user. So that is important to identify, and that is called ubiquitous language. You need to identify it. There is no any fixed. It's not a science that you should use this particular term. Now the cab arrived. Then trip started. So before starting the trip, you are sharing this OTP number. I think in Ola we are sharing OTP number. In Uber there is no any OTP number. There is no any OTP number. So cab arrived, and when cab arrived, what is the domain event that will start this trip started? So OTP shared or rider cab boarding, might be rider is boarding inside the cab, then trip started. So a rider boarding the cab or only boarding the cab. You need to find a good term for this. Then the trip started. If you are specifically taking for Ola into consideration, then here you can consider that OTP shared. In case of Uber, I guess, I'm sure, not guess, OTP is not required. That's why I am eliminating it. Then trip started. Then trip completed. What will be the command that will complete the trip? Trip completed. What will be the command? Reach destination. If I am using source over there, reach destination, and then trip completed. Yes or no, dear friend? It's a brainstorming session, so I need your presence. And if people are saying yes, no, then trip completed, then payment done. What should we do for doing the payment? Process payment, user process the payment, or do payment, payment for ride. That is one command. Process payment we can say, and that is finally payment done. So this is step 2, where what I have done, I have taken the diagram and I have just entered few okay, let me to little bit arrange it so it will be fit. Now, in this step, my dear friend, you need to identify certain user, the user which has helped you to identify and to complete all this. Oh, sorry. I'm planning to move on. Okay. So now the term is user register. You need to identify and put user over here. So another sticky note we can take for the user. Actor you can say. For the actor we are having this particular. There is a difference between this and this, and these two things seem similar. This and aggregate. So I will choose the different one. So this I can choose for aggregate, and this I can choose for user or actor. So here, register user. So the actor will be user. Search cab. The actor will be again user. Yes or no? We should be consistent. So either here, this command will get executed like this. Find cab. Cab search, find cab. The user will not do. So this find cab should be done by the system, Uber system or software system, automated system. Yes or no, dear friend? So system process will execute it. Cab found, assign a particular cab. That also will get executed by system only. Are you getting my point? System only. Then the cab assigned. That also will be a system process. Yes or no? That also will be a system process. System will execute it. Reach source. Who will do this? Is it system or driver? Can we take it as a driver? Dear friends, can we take it as a driver? So driver. Now the cab arrived. This cab is heading towards cab arrived. Rider boarding. Who will be actor for that? User. Reach destination. Payment done. So payment done, it will be user. It will do the payment. Trip completed. Reach destination, trip completed. I think driver will decide that I have reached to destination and he will subsequently close that particular trip. So best person is to find the driver. Make sense? So this makes the completion of your second term. Now we will put aggregate on top of this. Thank you. It's going a long video.